garden, and we're here with my neighbor, Renan. So Renan and I have slightly different kinds of plots, but you know, we're doing something similar. We've got our connection to our plants here. So I've got my native plants and some herbs. I do harvest from this plot as well. It's also a bit of an experimental plot where I try things out. And you know, I benefit from the love and care that Renan and my other plot neighbors put into their plots as well. They do a little extra watering for me. Thank you very much, Renan. So yeah, here we've got just a combination of stuff. So this is just garden chives here, which I love to harvest. I put it in my eggs. And over here, this one has died back for the season, but this one was nodding wild onion. Over here we've got green-headed coneflower, which, believe it or not, this is what it looks like in a drought year. But last year it was even taller. It was like taller than me. Amazing, amazing plant. I grow a bunch of different kinds of mint-related things in this area. So we've got Korean mint here. Sometimes you'll see it as purple hyssop, but it's a Korean mint. It smells like licorice. This one here is the yellow giant hyssop, which self-seeds to an amazing degree. Love it. We've got Virginia mountain mint here, which the bees are always obsessed with. Love that. What else have we got? If we come back a little bit further, we've got a hybrid grape back here called Frontenac Noir. So that's a riverbank grape crossed with the Pinot Noir. This is one of my absolute favorite goldenrods of all time. How showy. This stiff goldenrod here, which the bees also are obsessed with. I get honeybees here, so really, I mean, I think I should be getting a cut of that honey, technically, but, you know, I'll let it go. We also get lots of bumblebees in this area, which is lovely. They also happen to love my annual sunflower, which is back here. This was also self-seeded from last year. Another goldenrod down here is the Canada goldenrod, and this one just self-seeded. I recognized the leaves, and I said, you get to stay because the pollinators are going to really love you as well. The dill was the very same way, just self-seeded, but so much love from the bees. Over here we have sage, which is one of the important sacred plants of the medicine wheel in the Anishinaabe medicinal tradition, and also turns out to be really delicious to chop up for your breakfast. And what else? We can go over here to the swamp milkweed, now in fruit here, so those will crack open and we'll get those fluffy seeds very soon, amongst other things. So in total there's probably about 30 or so different species that I'm trying out here, and some of them do well in a wet year, some in a dry year, and we're just trying stuff. We're growing a little habitat. It's wonderful.